Hey guys, it's Rosina. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Now in today's video we're going to be making BDubs classic chicken wraps, which BDubs obviously, as everyone knows, is Buffalo Wild Wings. Now this one usually comes as either you get the breaded chicken or the grilled, and we're doing grilled today. So we have all our ingredients behind me and we will assemble the wrap. Now the ingredients you will need is some diced tomatoes, which I have diced and prepped, and then we have our lettuce, which it calls for shredded, but I didn't buy shredded, so I shredded my own, and I'm guessing it's iceberg lettuce, but I had romaine, so we're gonna do romaine. And then you have your grilled chicken, obviously, that we diced up and we cooked and obviously seasoned before we added in our sauce, which today we are using the garlic Parmesan sauce, which is my favorite one actually. And then you have your shredded cheese, which I'm pretty sure it's Colby Jack they have used for it. It's on the menu. That's where I got the recipe. I literally looked at the menu, saw the ingredients they put in and put it in there. So, but we have Cheddar Jack for this one. And then you have obviously your wrap, which I'm just doing a plain old flour wrap. So now that I showed you guys that, let's get assembling. Now normally I would warm up this tortilla, but I don't feel like it right now. But if you want it to wrap a little easier, warm up your tortilla for maybe about like 15 seconds. It doesn't need to be long. So we got our wrap. We're going to start off with getting the lettuce. And then what I usually do is I put a little bit more of the dressing onto the lettuce, just so it has a little bit more flavor. Then I add in my diced tomatoes. And then I add the chicken. And then I add my cheese. And that's literally it. Just simple ingredients, not that many. Then hopefully my wrapping skills will suffice. You know, I used to work at Qdoba, so I kind of know how to wrap, well, and real wraps too, actually. I've wrapped a couple of wraps and burritos in my day. So I kind of have a good idea how to wrap it. All right, there we go. And then I'll cut it, just so it looks nice. We can present it nicely. All right, let's open it for the camera. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. I'll pick that up, don't worry. Ooh, yeah, that looks nice. And there you have it. There's our wrap. And we can't forget our side either, which is fries, obviously. But I don't know how BDubs makes their fries, so we're just going to be using some Checkers fries. Two different places. And there you go. Nice classic BDubs chicken wrap and some fries. And that is the end of this video. Yes, short and sweet. This wasn't a long recipe. Like I said, this is a very simple recipe. You don't have to really follow anything. Just look at the ingredients that the menu has and wing it. Basically, that's what I did. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I make new videos every Wednesday/Thursday and Saturday. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.